First year MSc second semester students, welcome to electrodynamics class. In this class we are going to discuss charged particles in electric field. That means a charged particle is placed in an electric field. What are the forces acts on that charged particle, and displacement of charged particle and path of that charged particle in that electric field. First let us consider capital E with a uniform electric field. This field acts on the charged particle with mass m be the mass of the charged particle and q be the charge of that particle. Then electric field on that particle is given by E is equal to Fq. This force is equal to the mechanical force according to Newton's second law. F is equal to ma is equal to Eq. Then acceleration of the particle A is equal to Eq by m. So from this acceleration equation, so this is the charged particle is a uniform electric field, does not depends on time. So can draw a graph between time and acceleration for this charged particle. So time along x-axis and acceleration A is equal to Eq by m along y-axis. This is the a straight line which is parallel to the x-axis, that is acceleration. Let u be the initial velocity, then t equal to 0, at t equal to 0, and v be the final velocity at time t is equal to t. Then you can find the final velocity of this particle by using acceleration A is equal to rate of change in velocity, that is equal to Eq by m. Then dv is equal to Eq by m into dt. So integrating on both sides, then integral dv means v is equal to Eq by m and integral dt means t plus constant c. So initial time t equal to 0, this implies V is equal to U, then U is equal to constant C1. Therefore V is equal to E cube by M into T plus C means U. That is U. Right, so from this equation, the velocity of the charged particle is linear function, that is time t. It is shown by a graph. Velocity along x-axis, time along x-axis and velocity along y-axis. Then the graph for the above equation is like this: horizon O, this is x-axis and y-axis. So then we can calculate the position of the particle. If r be the position of the charged particle in the electric field, then V is equal to rate of change in displacement, that is equal to velocity U cube by M T plus U. Right. Then dr is equal to E q by M T plus U dt. Then integrating on both sides, then R is equal to E q by M T dt. Integral T dt means T square by 2 plus U into integral dt means ut plus constant C2. Okay, so this is the equation for displacement according to boundary conditions. Those are t equal to 0 and r is equal to r naught. Then r is equal to E q by M into 0. These values 0. Plus this is also 0, t equal to 0, then C2, that is R naught. Therefore R is equal to E q by M T square by 2 plus ut plus R naught. So this is the displacement of this charged particle. So then a graph is drawn between time and displacement t and s. This charged particle varies in quadratic equation with the above equation, reference of this quadratic equation to time. It is known as time displacement graph for charged particle. So this is the charged particle in uniform electric field. Okay, thank you.